Hi, welcome to LA Love Creative. I'm Armani, I'm a photographer and director.
And I'm Tiffy, I'm his sister, and I'm a producer and photographer. Today we're going to talk about the lovely art of creating a lookbook for a fashion company. What is a lookbook? A lookbook is a collection of a fashion designer's newest designs. It basically shows you their new collection, whether spring, fall, summer, and it's in a cohesive way so that you can see how the outfits look together, how pieces are styled, and it gives the consumer a good idea if they like this fashion brand. It also helps for marketing purposes because the company can use it for buyers to see if they want to include their collection in their stores, and also just to showcase the story behind why they created these designs, and also a creative way to express and get excitement around their brand. If you're just starting out, you probably don't have a lot of money to allocate to a lookbook budget. That's okay, you can achieve a lookbook, but you just have to make sure that your expectations and your budget are equal. Meaning if you don't have a lot of money, you're not going to be able to afford a lot of the things that maybe lookbooks that you aspire to be have. Now, so if you're starting out with a t-shirt line, you're probably gonna be more in the $1,000 range. This is an investment for your company, so you have to look at it that way. This will potentially get you more money.
If you're going to cast a model, make sure you try to keep it within your budget if you're on the lower end. Try to cast one model and have them in all the pictures from the lookbook. If you hire one of your friends, really make sure that they're the right fit for your brand, because you might end up regretting it later when you look at the images and they don't fit the idea that you were going for. If you do have the money to hire professionals, here's some great resources for you to look at. If you're looking for models, LA Casting or Model Mayhem are still good places to find models that are affordable and can fit your brand. If you're looking for casting crew, Film and TV Pro is a great resource for that. And to be honest, I find that Instagram is probably the best place where you can find things. Contact people on social media, slide into those DMs, and try to make things happen. Once you have your budget down, you can get realistic about what you can pull off. Study the collection. What are you trying to convey? What are your feelings about it? Once you have that down, make sure you create a Pinterest board or a mood board or some type of visual reference that you can share with your team to make sure they're on the same page. The last thing you want is your team to be creating something different from what your vision was. Make sure you have ideas and mood boards so you can share them and stay on point.
Capture the clothes. I know it seems like a given, like duh, we're capturing the clothes, but as artists, that's what photographers are. You can get very caught up in a good shoot, but you have to remember for a lookbook, the clothes are the star and you need to capture the clothes. You have to capture the texture, how they flow, how they fit on the model. I know we like to get creative, but we have to keep focused when it comes to lookbooks and their whole purpose. So to recap, you wanna make sure you know the budget of your shoot. You want to have the right models and team. You want to have ideas and mood boards. You always want to remember to capture the clothes. Don't forget to follow us on social media, it's down below, and hit us up if you have any questions on photography or filmmaking.
If you enjoyed this video, make sure you share, like, subscribe, and comment. See you next time.